Hello members, today we have this TV. It is a Skyview 50-inch. So it has this kind of problem. You've seen how it is. You can see how it is doing. See, bring the word Skyward, then it fades. Here it brings some lines down here, but it has this line. But I know this line, it won't go away unless when they have turned the off. So it brings this kind of lines. Skyward 50-inch. Then it comes like this. Now it has lines, so we are going to repair it. Is where it can work here at Eden Electronic Shops. Yeah. So ametuma. So this is our Skyview. Skyview. I don't know why I always love Skyview. So you can see the word. Remember, it was coming. Then the downside, it had some lines. Then it fades. You can see now when it is opening well. Remember, in the process of opening, it blowed the lines. Tumia elfu nne.
Hata nikutumia ina lipa.
Haina shida. Sasa tumia 35. So this is how it is. So now it is back. So what we are going to do? We are going to close it. So we are going to close it. We are going to close it for the image to see how it is showing. So this is our Skyview. You can see. Kuna image mzuri.
Oh man, Tails is so lame. We were supposed to hang out today, and now I don't have a best friend. But what better way to get one than to clone myself? Look at that, it's a new me. It's so cool. Hey Sonic, what's up?
Hey Sonic, sorry I was late.
It is back.
What do you mean who's this? This is my new best friend.
Let me subscribe on my channel, bro.